Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate AirDrop on your iPhone Air. This is like very simple. All you need to do is make sure that AirDrop receiving is enabled if you want to receive AirDrop. But if you want to send it, then just the other person that you're sending it to must make sure that their AirDrop is enabled. Now I'm going to show you that later. I'm going to show you how to share with AirDrop. So if I slide down from the right top part of the screen, most likely I will see this button, this menu. If you don't have it, then you can still access it by clicking on plus, right? Add a control, and then go to connectivity, and you can either add this big button to your control menu or just add AirDrop itself as a separate button. Now, if I go here, you can see this is AirDrop. I can click on it and select receiving off, contacts only, or everyone for 10 minutes. I'll leave it on contacts only, and I'll go to photos, maybe. Let's select a photo. And now if I want to share it, I can simply click on the share button right here, this square with the arrow going upwards, and then I can click on AirDrop. Now, my other iPhone should appear on the list, I believe. I'm gonna make sure on that iPhone I also have AirDrop receiving enabled. Because I'm not really sure. Okay, I think it should appear. Yes, it did. So I can click here. Wait for a moment. Typically it should take a bit less, but I'm waiting because it's downloading the photo from my iCloud. You know, it's been taken from a different iPhone. That's why it's taking so long. It just has to download the full photo. So that's the issue here. I think I'm just gonna go out of that, and I'm gonna share something like a screenshot that I've taken with this iPhone to make it quicker. Yeah, so let's go to AirDrop again. Let's go to my iPhone. Okay, and on my other iPhone, I can accept it. And now it's on my iPhone. So I think that's great. You know, this photo is here. I think that's great, but if you can't find the person on the list, then what you can do is simply select AirDrop. Now, just move two iPhones together, like that. And now, I'll have an option to accept the AirDrop. I think. Yeah, you can see it's already, my iPhone is already here on the list, but if it wasn't, then I could select it like that. And I think that will be about it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.